In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to make your phone number private, how to hide your caller ID. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, tap on more icon then, and select settings. Here you need to click on call-in accounts and pick Play or any other carrier that you have included there. Select additional settings then, and mark caller ID. And here you can smoothly make your phone number private by picking hide number, and that's it. From now on, it will be hidden in all outgoing calls, so no one will be able to recognize you. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.